Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as personal investment. We're going to do question number 6 today. In the books of Mandar. Investment account. Of 6% government securities for the year ending 31st March 06. Date, particulars, working note number, nominal value, income, capital, date, particulars, working note, nominal value, income, capital. Let's start with the sum, guys. They said that Mr. Mandar holds on 1st April 2005 75,000 cost 78,000 6% government securities as investment on which interest is payable half yearly on 30th June and 31st December. First thing, working note 1, interest payable on 30th June and 31st December. Right? Let's start. This is on which date? 1st April 2005. 1st April. To balance brought down. Balance brought down is 75,000. Capital value is given to you as 78,000. Right? Let's calculate the interest. Interest on 1st April. 75,000. These are 6% debentures. Closest previous date. That means 3 months. 1125. 1125. Fine. Do we get this idea? Next. Now, the following are the transactions. They've given you on 1st May. You have purchased to bank. You have purchased investments of rupees 30,000. You have purchased investments of rupees 30,000 at 98 cum interest. First, let's calculate the interest on 1st May. You have purchased investments of 30,000 at 6%. Closest previous date, right?
4 months.
Yeah, this is going to be 4 months. 600, right? Capital value. Capital value, you are purchasing 300 debentures at 98. You are purchasing 300 debentures at 98. Someone tell me how much? 29,400. This is cum interest. So you will less the interest 28,800. Right? Let's see this. So your interest is 600, capital is 28,800, right? Next, then you have a sale transaction, but that is in August, right? Before that you will have 30th June. So on 30th June, you will have interest payment by bank. Total your purchase, guys. Total your purchase securities till date of value 1,05,000. Your purchase securities of 1,05,000. So you will have interest on 1st May is going to be 1,05,000 into 6% for 6 months. Someone please help me calculate this.
So why on 1st May?
1st May. No, this is 30th June. Interest on 30th June. 6% for 6 months. Someone please calculate this.
It's got 3150.
3150. So the interest is going to be 3150. Let's pay that interest. 3150. Right? 30th June transaction is gone. The next you have is 1st August. On 1st August you have sold debentures of 36,000 at 97 cum interest. So you have 1st August by bank. You have sold debentures of 36,000. You have sold debentures of 36,000. Right? Let's do the interest calculation. Interest on 1st August. You have sold debentures of 36,000. These are 6% debenture and closes previous date.
1 month.
1 month.
180.
Right? So this is 180. Now let's find out the capital value wise. You have 360 debentures which you have
97.
purchased for 97.
34,920.
34,920. This is cum interest, so you will less the interest.
34,740.
180 you will less. How much is this?
34,740.
34,740. Right? So this is going to be 180 and 34,740. Right? Now whenever you sell, you have to calculate the interest. You have to calculate the profit. So you have nominal value, capital value. Before the date of sale, you had debentures of 1,05,000. Before the date of sale, you had debentures of 1,05,000. So someone give me the capital value, guys.
1,06,800.
1,06,800. You have sold debentures of 36,000. So what should the expected selling price be?
36,617.
36,617. Your actual selling price is 34,740. Right? So in that case, you have incurred a loss. Someone please calculate the loss for me.
1877.
1877. Right? So this you will write here on 1st August by P&L 1877. Sale transaction is done. Then on 1st November you have purchased debentures of face value 45,000. So 1st November to bank you have purchased debentures of face value of 45,000. Let's calculate the interest. Interest on 1st November. You have 45,000. Rate of interest is 6% and 1st November. Someone calculate the number of months, guys. 4 months. Someone calculate the interest for 900. Let's find out the capital value wise. 45,000, that means 450 debentures at the rate of 101. Someone please help me get this.
45,450.
45,450. Since this is X interest, I don't need to subtract the interest, right? So this is going to be 900 and this is 45,450. Right? Next, let's move on ahead. On 1st Feb, face value of 24,000 at 102 X interest. You have sold. Right? Now before 1st Feb, there's going to be 31st December. 31st December by bank. Right, let's see this. Interest on 31st December. Now as on 31st December, you have investments of what value? You had purchased 75,000 plus 30,000 plus 145,000, out of which you have sold 36,000. So when,
114.
how much?
114.
1,14,000 worth investments you have. These are 6% investments for 6 months. Someone please help me calculate this. Someone calculate it.
3420.
Excuse me?
3420.
3420. So the interest is going to be 3420. Right? Now, there's a sale transaction on 1st Feb. So on 1st Feb, you sell. So by bank, you are selling debentures of 24,000. You are selling debentures of 24,000. Right? Let's see this. Interest on 1st Feb 24,000. These are 6% debentures on which interest is going to be closest previous date 1 month. Someone please?
120.
120. Let's find out the capital value, guys. 24,000 each. You are selling 240 debentures at 102. Someone please.
24,480.
24,480 x interest. That means I don't need to deduct interest. So in that case, this is going to be 120 and 24,480. Right? Now, whenever you sell, you have to calculate your profit or loss. So let's find out the profit or loss. Nominal value, capital value. Before the date of sale, what was the total value of investments held by you? 1,14,000. That was the nominal value. Someone please calculate the capital value and tell me. It will be 78,000 plus 28,800 plus 45,450 minus 34,740 minus 1,877.
1,15,632.
1,15,633. You are selling assets of 24,000. In that case, what will your expected selling price be?
So 24,344.
Your actual selling price is 24,480. That means you have made a profit. Someone tell me how much it is?
126.
126 is your profit.
136.
136 is your profit. Right? 136 is your profit. So, in that case, this is going to be on the debit side, 1st Feb, that's 2006. First Feb. This is going to be 2 P&L. You're making a profit of 136. Okay. Next, let's move on ahead. Now, they're saying that the market value of investment at 1% discount on 31st March is so much. Okay. Now that we will need when we do the tallying. Let's see the tallying, guys.
114,000.
This is
1,50,000.
1,50,000. This is 1,50,000. This is 31st March by balance carried out. How much?
90,000.
90,000. Okay. Let's calculate the interest on this. Interest on 31st March. So that is going to be 90,000 into 6% for closest previous date, 3 months. Someone please help me find out.
1350.
1350. So my interest is 1350. Someone get me the actual difference. Find the difference, guys. Someone add the credit side of then add the debit side first.
$152,386.
152,386. Someone get me the difference, guys.
$91,289.
91,289. Now they are saying that the market price is quoted at 1% discount. So what will the market price be? Market price of the investment, we have found out that the closing balance is 90,000 minus 1%. So please get 90,000 minus 1%. So that will be 89,100. Out of the two closing stock, you have to always consider the smaller value. The smaller value is 89,100. Smaller value is 89,100. How much
So
is
how did we
that?
get this 90,000 mark?
90,000 is this nominal value.
Okay, so why did we take that 90,000?
Because they've said that the market price of the investment is at 1% discount. So when I'm calculating discount, I'll have to calculate on the nominal value. So my nominal value of the investment On the closing date is 90,000. On that I gave 1% discount.
2189. 2189.
The difference is 2189. That's a loss that you have incurred. Right? You should have got 91,000. Instead you got only 89,100. So 31st March by P&L. This is 2189. Someone please add the credit side of income. Someone please add the credit side of income.
Eight two
8220.
8220. Difference 31st March to P&L.
5595.
5595.
95.
Okay. That finishes that sum. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.